What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Little J Garland, back here with another video, guys. Alright, this is gonna be the first video of the spring break vacation vlog, so I just wanted to greet you guys. If you're new, hey. If you're old, what up? Make sure you like and subscribe, and also if you want to get a free shout out, go down in the description. So there's gonna be a secret word. If you comment that, I will give you a shout out in the next video. And mentioning that, congrats to Ryan Singleton. I put his card right here. He won it last time. The secret word was Pizza Hut. And congrats to you, Ryan Singleton. So yeah, that again. And besides that, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys later. Peace. We lit, bro. Let's go.
You ready, Mace?
Party people in the place to be. It's about that time for us to.
Yeah. What you know about going out? Head west, red legs, TVs, all up in the headrest. Try and live it up.
No, one of the stuff was mine.
Whatever.
These three things is yours.
So right now we're gonna be waiting in the car for. You're not in the shot. Don't worry.
Alley and everything is at Splash Lagoon.
Yeah.
So we gotta see the time that it opens. See the time that it closes, and the laser tag thing. See what time that's over.
All right. So we're going. So what? So we're doing laser tag, bowling, and what else?
Laser tag and bowling tonight, and then pool we can go to the pool at the hotel.
All right. Well, bet that's what we're gonna be doing today. We got everything now. I got my drink right here. Roger got his what do you got? His
Arizona.
Yeah,
the best tea ever.
Yeah, he got
If you don't
Arizona
like
tea.
it, there's something wrong with you, Jason.
Okay, whatever. I never tasted it before. But yeah, so we got everything ready, and now we're about to just get on the road. Let's just chill out from that now, and you guys don't have to be around my camera anymore. All right? We okay with that? All right. See you guys in the next shot. Peace.
I should have just took. Sorry, no, right.
Turn it up right now. Okay, alright guys, so right now we're about 53 minutes away from the hotel, and we'll be there shortly, so let's just get back to the video. I'm the closest winner. It's so hard. We're 23 minutes away from Splash Lagoon right now, and he's still asleep, but that doesn't matter. Alright.
Oh, this camera's lit. Why are you stealing my shine, son? Why are you stealing my shine?
Wake up! We're 2 minutes away now. Come on, wake up. Let me try. Splash Lagoon right there, guys.
Roller rigs out so we can get everything
Alright.
on there with the first trip.
So, we're having to go get some rolling chairs, some other stuff to bring the stuff up. Got the pool right there, and then we also have the gym over there. Oh shoot, the elevator's moving. No. 2. Okay, yeah. So now since we are here, I gotta go get a rolling chair from up there, like I said, and then we're gonna bring everything aside, and then we can go off to laser tag all those. Oh, look at that. After we do all this, we can get to the real video, okay, guys? Alright, see ya.
accustomed to my chair.
You get accustomed to your chair. I'm getting accustomed to my full bed.
yo.
I get this whole joint.
The chair, y'all.
Roger said Roger wants to sleep with a chair. So.
He'll see when his back hurts.
It's okay.
Oh man.
It's the queen size bed.
Yeah, no, it's my queen
Yeah,
size.
it's the queen size.
Yeah, no, it's my queen size bed. This, you see this? You see this? This is all
I'm
mine.
gonna text you Jimmy's number.
Oh, better be sleeping. All right, so look at me. So this is the got this hat on right here. I got this. This is the camera. I fixed this. And this is the new tripod I'm using now. The professional vloggers, only good vloggers use this tripod right here.
He'll be one of them
Who's one of them? Are you talking to me right now?
recording himself.
What?
Recording yourself all the time.
No.
I can't believe you took, man. You got this nice, comfy bed.
And I choose to sleep on the chair.
Yeah, and I choose to sleep
This
here.
book here.
All right, so right now we've basically packed up everything right now. So right now we're going to go into the laser tag place. So let's go. I mean, you ready?
Roderick,
That means I'm gonna beat you. What'd you say?
which one did you pull up?
How do you know?
Whichever one Siri showed me.
2 hours later.
Hey, Mom, let's take a good old walk.
Right there where Splash Lagoon entrance is. That's where the bowling is supposed to be somewhere in there.
Hey, Dad, hold my hat, please. Thank you. All right, so it turns out they have a new location that's still near. So we're just going to take a little walk here to go get some good exercise. Mom, so you purposely get in the video.
Oh, is this facing you or me?
It wasn't facing you, and then you purposely walked aside and get in it. But I don't feel good being in the front though, so I'm just gonna stand behind over here, okay? So yeah, we are going to the laser tag right now. So I'll come back to you guys when we get there. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna keep it on. Keep it on. All right, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to take it inside. It's because I'm trying to have fun myself too. So I don't. Actually, let me get away from them because they're trying to talk over there. But yeah, I want to have fun myself, so I might not take it in. But I'll still try to get some phone footage. But I don't think I'm gonna be able to take this in. But I'll still try to get whatever's left of it on my phone if I can. But besides that, I'll just see if that doesn't happen. I'll see you guys when we come back. Peace. All right, for one. Okay. Alright, we'll talk about when we get to Eden Park.
What's that?
We'll talk about what happened at Laser Tag.
Yeah, tomorrow we'll be at the water park. We'll see you guys there.
Okay, yo, chill, wait. We'll talk about when we get to Eden Park. But for now, we're just gonna shut off for now. I'll come back later. No, chill! Alright, so we're gonna record on Roderick's phone right now.
It's not good quality.
Well, it's better than nothing. Yo, chill. You didn't see nothing.
So he almost fell. He fell.
Okay, whatever. But right now, like I said, we're gonna talk about what happened at Eden Park. Not now, Eden Park.
That's all I gotta say. I was first place.
We can talk about that one.
9,800.
Chill. We can talk about that when we get to Eden Park. But I just wanted to use Roger's phone right now because it's a nice view right now. Like it's like really nice.
I'm mad that he got
I'm
last
not
place.
mad. I did not get last place. I topped over that kid. I topped over.
Okay, second to last. That's not no better.
I was third to last. Chill. I was third to last. That was fifth place.
How many people were in
Fifth
there?
place. Fifth place. There was the guy, 2, 3, 4.
All right, Beetlejuice, this is for you. What number comes between 2 and 4? Beetlejuice.
25. 5, 6, 7, like 7, and I got third to last. Meaning,
I don't care. I was cussing all you guys.
I don't care. I got 4. I got 4. I don't care. I got 4. I don't care. I got 4. We were just having fun. But whatever.
9% accuracy.
I had 12.
It was 9.
It was 12.
Look at your paper. It's
No, I'm not
9.
looking at my 12.
Because it was 9.
Yeah, I did not do good. I'll be honest with myself. I did not do good. I had fun though.
But
So that's all.
honestly, I was running around. That's the only reason people.
You know, no, like all those track. I think
I did it first and then I saw him do it. But
I think
didn't see him do
Sniper
it.
Guy did it first, and you're just
Okay,
a
well, I
fake
didn't
imita-
see him do it.
See,
I didn't
exactly.
see
You're
him do it then.
see, you're repeating yourself. And that was it. But we're gonna go on our way to Eden.
Pay for the package. We're
Yeah.
going for 2 days.
Okay, we see how sweaty I am. That means that show. Like, look at his forehead. Like, oh my gosh, I'm playing. But we're.
Look at your face. Like, oh my
Oh,
God.
chill.
What do you mean a face?
No, because we're all sweating right now because we're like all into it. But besides that, I'm just gonna cut it short. We're gonna be going to Eden Park right now, and then I'll be able to switch back to my actual camera instead of Roger's camera, which is actually really good. Not gonna lie. It's the iPhone X. It's better than what I have. So
Yeah.
see, I give you a compliment. You're not supposed to respond with hatred. It's like I say, nice shoes, and yours are It's like.
Y'all see the cleaner right there, or is it gone?
All right, but yeah, see you guys in a second. All right, peace. Get my
Focus on me.
No, stop. Hey, chill, stop focusing. Okay, let me try to get back on me. Stop it. Stop. Hey, look at me. Stop looking at him. No, he means nothing. He means nothing. We just got done eating at Eden Park. Sorry I didn't cut the camera off, but I basically talked about what we were going to talk about at the table anyway. And we also just talked about everything else and just fun stuff. And I just didn't want to record that because it's just family time. But right now, we're going to be going back to the hotel, and then we're going to go in a pool and hang out there. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Peace.
In there. He didn't really...
Wait, you're talking about...
Don't
No, come on, you're talking about
Because I'm
Kevin.
here talking stuff about Kevin. Don't.
What are you saying? He thinks that Kevin's dunk was not a real dunk. Kevin, what do you have
Okay,
to say
this
about
is
that?
fine. In the video, all he did was push the ball. He didn't really like dunk it. He just pushed it.
Kevin Garnett.
Huh?
Kevin
No, Kevin
Mickens.
Because everyone keeps
Kevin.
on hyping that he dunked it, but he didn't really like dunk it like that. He just pushed it in.
Shade on another level. But right now we're gonna go to the pool right now. Also, Kevin, if you're watching this video,
Don't.
Kevin, if you're watching this video, yeah, you watching this video.
No, you're not watching.
No, Kevin, if you're watching this video, comment for me so Roger sees it. Okay, can you comment for me?
So calm.
Cause like you always be trying to get those shout outs. This is the time to do it. Like right now when he's talking to stuff. But yeah, you watch this video. Make sure to do that. He's spitting facts. Yo, you're adding flames to the fire, man.
Because like he didn't dunk it. I'm just all I'm saying. He didn't dunk it.
Somebody getting punched, and they tripped and fell, and looked like he knocked it down. Like, ooh!
Okay, so now my dad's talking that shade. Oh my gosh, Kevin's.
I wasn't there, so I can't
Kevin's
confirm.
feeling. But yeah, right now we're gonna put our stuff on and we're gonna go down to the pool and just chill out there. And then tomorrow we're gonna be going to Splash Lagoon and going to all the other fun stuff. But for now, we're gonna get ready, and next time we see you, we'll be at the pool. Alright, see ya. Alright guys, but that's going to be the end of the vlog right there. I can't take my camera inside like I did with the family vacation vlogs because this is actually a good camera. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.